Hello everyone, gather the hair on the top, tie a rubber band to it, make two braids out of it. As for the bottom, make another section right underneath it and then include the first braid into another braid that you are creating. Roll these braids upwards. Take a section of the top and then tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Make another section right underneath it and another one. Make three braids at the bottom. Tie a ponytail at the bottom, braid the hair and then add multiple rubber bands after rolling it. Take a section of the hair from the front, tie a rubber band to it, add multiple sections underneath it and then braid the bottom of the hair. Start off by making two sections of the top and then braid each of these sections. Make another section right underneath it, including both the braids. Take a section of the top, make two braids out of it. Add multiple rubber bands by including the braid in the side. Add a decorative piece at the top. Make 6 or 7 divisions at the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to each of them. Roll the hair in on itself and then add a thread to each of them. Using 2 strands of the thread as a part of the braid, make a braid. Join it in a ponytail. Take a section from the front, tie a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself. Do this right underneath and make 2 braids. Make 2 braids on either side, join it at the back, crisscross it and then make 2 ponytails on either side. Add multiple rubber bands at the bottom. Make 2 sections at the top and then braid it. Tie a ponytail. Take a section of the top, tie a rubber band to it, make a bun-like shape. Take another section right underneath it, make a braid out of it. Divide the hair into 4 portions. Tie a ponytail of the top portion and then begin to braid it. Make a braid out of the bottom portion as well, roll the upper portion. Take a section of the middle, add multiple rubber bands along that line. Taking the second section that you have created, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. This is what it should look like. As for the remaining portion of the hair, begin to twist the hair one on top of the other. You may also make a braid at the bottom should you like to. Take a section off the top of the scalp, roll it in on itself, make 2 braids, join it in a heart shape. Make 2 more sections at the back, make a braid at the bottom, roll it up. Divide the front portion of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Make another section right underneath it and do this one more time. As for the bottom, braid the hair normally. Take a section of the front of the hair and tie a rubber band to it. Make a braid out of it, roll it up into a bow shape. Thank you for watching.